Hi kids, today we're doing Star Wars Pinball. It's kind of a pretty small pinball, and look how much points I got already. That's hard to do it. Oh kids, what? I got 200 now.
That's right. Wow.
This one raises my points.
Okay.
But I don't want to do it. Kids, one time I played and I got 6,100. One time I played and I got 6,100. Hey kids, that you show them what this thing does? Kids, that makes how many balls that you got. Wow. Kids,
220.
did you know that this game is like it came with legs so we can see? And kids, you see, I actually like doing that. I actually did that before. I actually turned it, and I actually just like to turn it and get a lot of points. And that's what I like to do actually. Uh-oh. My ball's stuck in this. Okay, kids. Look at how many points I got. If you know that number, Dad, tell what number that is.
It is 3.
No, it's a bigger number than
Oh, 430.
Kids, that's a big number.
Mm-hmm.
Did you know, kids, that I one time played so many rounds of this that I actually got jackpot of points. And I just keep winning and winning. And kids, you see these blue things? Those blue things? When you touch them, it gives you points.
Mm.
I can even light up. Now what number do I have now?
510.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
What number this is?
520.
Whoa, kids. If that's keep touching this one, and what how many points I got.
550.
I just keep touching this, and it got 550.
That's right.
And kids, that's so awesome.
Well.
And did you know, kids, I want to show you the way how to turn off. I don't remember. It's on somewhere here. Is it on the bottom? No, it's not on the bottom. But look at the back, kids. It's inside that hole.
Yep.
And kids. Whoa, kids. See, it's magic. I changed my point.
That's right. Magic 570.
So kids, let's keep playing.
Mm-hmm.
Kids, remember when we made Briggs kind number 2 video?
Mm-hmm.
Hey kids, we're going to this is going to be super cool about it.
Yep.
all kids. I think we're close to getting to the giant number.
We're at 660.
I got this.
Wow. 730. All right, buddy. I think we got to wrap it up pretty soon.
Hey, that's not there. They just put me inside that hole.
Oh, boy.
Okay, kids.
Mm-hmm.
This is going to be like very cool. I know that this guy's BB-8, I think. I think that guy maybe is BB-8.
All right. So tell the kids where they can find this
Let
game.
me erase my point. Kids, do I see what this button does? Erases
There it
my
goes.
point.
All right. Tell them where they can find it.
You can find it at Target. And my mom got this at Target. And that's actually the word, kid.
All right. Keep going. All right. And tell them what.
And my mom surprised me with this, and she put it in her car at Target, and it said Briggsy, and then she actually wanted to play this, and then she played it while I tried to help her. She tried to trick me to play this.
Yep. All right. We'll tell the kids. See you later.
See you later, kids. And this game, I actually did that accident at the couch.
Okay. All right. See you guys.
See you guys.